Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you're on laptop power or plugged in, since power plans limit max brightness. Next, open Start, choose Settings, then System and Display. This gets you to the built-in slider. Once there, adjust the brightness slider slowly to see changes. You'll notice adaptive settings may override manual changes. Make sure to check whether night light is active, because that alters perceived brightness and color temperature, and adjust accordingly. Once the basic slider is set, switch to Advanced Controls. Go to Display Brightness and Color and toggle Change Brightness automatically if you want ambient light to influence levels. Then open your Graphics Driver Control Panel, Intel Graphics Command Center, NVIDIA Control Panel, or AMD Radeon to fine-tune gamma, contrast, and per-application brightness, because system sliders can be limited. Also, use the Action Center Quick Tile for rapid 0-100% adjustments when you need an instant change without opening settings. To finish, verify changes by switching between battery and plugged-in modes, and save any power plan edits so brightness behaves consistently. If the slider or automatic options are missing, update your display adapter and monitor drivers via Device Manager, because driver issues often remove controls. One key troubleshooting tip: disable adaptive brightness or reinstall sensor drivers if brightness still won't change. This often resolves conflicts between Windows, the display, and graphics drivers, restoring manual control quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.